canal, the digestive canal of the arthropodan animals includes alimentary canal and associated glands. These associated glands provides enzymes for the digestion of the carbohydrates, proteins and fats. Carbohydrates are converted into glucose, proteins are converted into amino acids, fats are converted into fatty acids by this enzyme. See, this alimentary canal or the gut that starts from the mouth to anus. So the digestive canal of these animals having two openings, both mouth and anus, both are present. So this is the gut is complete gut. The gut of these animals are complete gut. Respiration. Respiration. See, in these animals, there is no specialized respiratory organs. So, in these animals, respiratory organs are absent, but a specialized system is present in these animals for the exchange of gases, that is tracheal system. Tracheal system. So the tracheal system that includes spiracles, trachea, spiracles, trachea and tracheoles. So the tracheal system of these animals includes spiracle, trachea and tracheoles. So the spiracles number either 8 pairs or 10 pairs. This is for the spiracles. So due to the presence of these tracheal system, spiracles, trachea and tracheoles each side, these spiracles that collects the gases from outside and supplies these gases to the tissues or the cells directly. So external gases directly deposited into the cells or the tissues. We will see this type of respiratory system only in arthropodan animals. So the arthropodan animals, the respiratory system is absent, but the gases directly deposited into the tissues through this tracheal system. Next part is transport system or circulatory system. Circulatory system. See, in these animals, the functional body cavity, the body cavity is hemocoel. Hemocoel. It is not a true coelomate, but it is derived from the embryonic mesoderm. So it is considered as a true coelom. Hemocoelom. Hemocoelom means actually the coelom, all the organs are bathed in the blood. The color of the blood is white color. The color of the blood is white color, but in some animals, the color of the blood is blue color due to the presence of the hemocyanin. Hemocyanin. The color of the blood is white color due to the absence of the hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is absent in these animals. See, once remember, in annelidan animals, red blood cells are absent. That is why these RBC is present in the plasma. In these animals, hemoglobin is completely absent. So the color of the blood is white color. If the color is blue in color, that is because of the presence of hemocyanin. A copper containing pigment is hemocyanin. Hemocyanin. Okay. So in these animals, heart, only one heart, it is divided into 13 chambers. Only one heart, it is divided into 13 chambers in these animals, and movement or the supply of the blood from the one place to another place with the help of the hand fan shaped alary muscles also present. Alary muscles also present for the circulation of the blood through the heart. And the functional hemocoel or the sinus, it is divided into pericardial sinus, perivisceral sinus, perineural sinus. What is sinus? What is the sinus? Sinus means a body cavity, empty cavities. In these animals having no specialized blood vessels. Blood vessels are also absent in these animals. So, in these animals, in arthropodan animals, the blood flows into the larger spaces. These spaces are known as cavities. Cavities are the sinus. Those sinus are divided into pericardial, perivisceral and perineural sinus. So in these animals, blood flows into the sinuses. If the blood flows through in the sinuses, this circulation is open type of circulation. So in arthropodan animals, the circulation type is closed type, because this is the blood flows through the sinuses in these animals. This is regarding to the heart or the transport system. Now excretory system. In these animals, excretory system is well developed. Here the excretory organs are Malpighian tubules, coaxial glands and green glands, antennary glands. See, I forgot one point here. In the respiratory system, book lungs in terrestrial arthropodan animals, book gills. You'll see this respiratory organs in aquatic animals. In some terrestrial animals, the respiratory organs are book lungs. In some aquatic arthropodan animals, they respire with the book gills. These are the 2 points. Now coming to the excretory system. The excretory system of the cockroach, that includes different organs, Malpighian tubules, coaxial glands, green glands and the antennary glands. Those are acts as a excretory organs in these animals. Which are eliminated uric acid. Some animals excrete ammonia. So this is the excretory nervous system. The nervous system includes nerve ring and double ventral nerve cord. Double ventral nerve cord along with ganglion and nerves. Dorsal and ventral nerves are also present here. This is about the nervous system of the cockroach. Already we have discussed about the sensory system of these animals. The sensory system includes statocysts, sculopedia, and simple eyes and compound eyes are the sensory system of these animals. After nervous system, the next one is reproductive system. Reproductive system. These animals are unisexual animals. Unisexual animals, nothing but dioecious. Dioecious. We'll see the sexual dimorphism of in these animals. In these animals, we'll see the sexual dimorphism in nature. So, unisexual animals are the dioecious animals. In these animals, the external fertilization of these animals are mostly external fertilization. And these animals usually internal fertilization. And these animals, the process of development of these animals are maybe indirect or direct. Development includes indirect and direct, because all these animals are oviparous animals, egg-laying animals. They lay eggs. In these animals, one of the larvae, trochophore larva. So many larva stages are present due to the presence of the trochophore larva. The development is larva stages, that is the development is direct development. Some animals, due to the absence of the larva stages, the development is direct development. See, I forgot 2 points. One of the point, heart is dorsal. In these animals, heart is located in the dorsal side. And one of the name, Loxiferlac or Tacardia lac. So this is the scientific name of the lac insect. Lac insect scientific name is Loxiferlac or Tacardia lac. And pedicellus, head lice. So these are the common points of the arthropodan animals. The largest phylum and the largest class is largest phylum is Arthropoda. Largest class included in this one, that is insect. All insects are present here. And one more point, Limulus. Limulus is a living fossil. Living fossils. See, living fossils means extinct plants and animals are called as fossils. But still these fossils are present. Those are living fossil is Limulus. And one more, Peripatus. The Peripatus, it is a connecting link between the Annelida and Arthropoda. So these organisms have both Arthropoda characters and Annelidan characters. So it is a connecting link between the Arthropoda and Annelida. Thank you, one and all.